If you're encountering the "you need to authenticate before accessing this item" error on your iPhone while trying to open files, don't worry, we've got some solutions for you. This issue can occur due to authentication problems with your Apple ID, iCloud settings, or security features on your device. Here's how to fix it. Solution 1. Enable files and photos from iCloud. Open Settings, tap Apple ID, scroll down and tap iCloud, tap See All, find out iCloud Drive, enable sync this iPhone. If this already enabled, then turn it off and turn it back on. After that, go back, tap iCloud Photos, again turn it off and turn it back on. Mostly your problem is going to be solved after this. Now if you still have issues, try following process. Solution 2. Sign out and back into iCloud. Open Settings, tap your Apple ID at the top of the screen, scroll down and tap Sign Out. Restart your iPhone, sign back in with your Apple ID and try accessing the file again. Solution 3. Offload and reinstall the Files app. Open Settings, scroll down and tap General, tap iPhone Storage, find the Files app, tap Offload app, tap Offload app again to confirm, tap Reinstall app. After reinstalling, try to access the file again. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the "you need to authenticate before accessing this item" error and open your files on your iPhone. If this guide helped, let me know in the comments below.